Hey guys, so I've got another crystals and oils video for you. Recently, I had a couple of customers ask me about this, and it's been on my list of videos to make for a while. So today we're going to talk about how to clean your crystal roller bottle and the difference between cleaning just a regular roller bottle and how you would clean your crystal roller bottles. All right, so let's dive in. So, obviously, when there's the crystals inside, some of that oil residue wants to stick on the outside of the crystal. So the first thing I've done is just throughout this week, leave it turned upside down so that most of it would go to the top. Now, a little bit of it might escape into the cap, but I haven't really noticed any in my cap. So if you have my roller bottles, you should be fine. So I've just left it kind of upside down so that I could get the last little bits out of it. Then, once you've really gotten everything that you can, obviously you still want to use up those crystals as best as possible. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and just pop off the top. Now you can get these online if you don't have one. If you need one, I have a couple of extras. So when you place your next roller bottle order, you can let me know if you need one. And if I have an extra in stock, I will send it your way. But you just put it right under the lip there. Okay. And then wiggle off the top. Okay. So now I can actually get the crystals out of here. You can be gentle if you want to, but I don't have a very gentle nature. All right, so you see how that's pretty darn clean now, right? But there is some residue on our crystals, so now is the perfect moment to rub that around in our hands. Really get all the goodness out of those oils. We can then set our crystals back down. Oops. Set our crystals down or hang on to them if you want to while you breathe in, but because they're so tiny, probably easiest just to set them down on a paper towel. And now we can do a few minutes of meditation, of just deep breathing to get all of the rest of that oil and use it to its fullest. So breathing in. Breathing out, and you can think through what it is you want for today. This is my clarity oil, so breathing in clarity. Breathing out confusion. Breathing in fresh air. Really breathing out all that stale air. Get it all out of there. Breathing in peace. Breathing out fear, breathing in focus, breathing out distraction. That's one of my favorite ways to do just a simple breathing technique. Breathe in what I want, release what is not serving me, right? And so you can just breathe like that, or you could take time to do an entire meditation. This is my clear quartz roller, so that would be great for the clarity meditation or connecting with your highest self. Either one of those on my YouTube channel or Insight Timer would be great. But you can pick, whichever is your favorite meditation, whichever is your favorite to match that crystal that you're cleansing, and do that. And then now we've gotten all the goodness out of that and we can get to the cleaning process. So we'll do that next. So just a drop of your favorite, natural chemical-free soap. That's it. Now just dry them off with a soft cloth. And they're ready for their next roller bottle. Same is true for the roller bottle itself. Just a drop or two of the soap, a little water, swish it around. and then rinse it out. Repeat for the top and the roller ball. All right, so that was pretty simple, right? Just all natural dish soap, water, warm water, you know, scrub it around a little bit, dry everything off with a clean, soft towel. That's it. Now, the reason we're not using standard dish soap, I don't use that anyway, but you certainly wouldn't want to use it in a bottle that you're going to then be storing essential oils, healing products in, because now if you leave any chemical residue, that chemical residue is going to get right back into your body by rubbing on the essential oils. We don't want that. So use a natural dish soap. Like I said, I like the Thieves dish soap. Also, Dr. Bronners is fantastic. Both very natural, both very easy to find. So you can also, if you want to, boil your glass bottle. If you want to make sure that any little bits of film from the carrier oil get out of here, you can do that. Do not boil these guys because you could end up warping the plastic. That would not be good. It would mess up the fit of the roller bottle. The reason that I like to boil the glass is because the main reason we cleanse this between each time we put a new blend in is not really because we don't want the essential oils to mix. It's because we don't want the carrier to sit in there forever. So unlike essential oils, carriers do have a short lifespan. They will go rancid, especially the warmer temperature or the sunnier a place they're being stored. And within the carrier oils, there are some that last longer and some that are more fragile. So I will link you guys up here or in the description to my carrier oil blog. And there you can get more details on why you might choose different carrier oils for different purposes. And then more information on why I personally use fractionated coconut oil in my own recipes and in what I carry in the shop. Now, once everything is all dry, right, you've rinsed everything out, you can just leave this upside down to dry just like you would if it was a glass, you know, like a cup or something. And if, same thing for these, you can leave this all in a drain as long as, you know, the dish drainer, as long as that's clean. Then your crystals, I would keep them on a soft cloth. Like I usually just use one of my polish cloths or something like that. So now it's time to fill it again, right? So pick your favorite recipe from our new recipe book or go based on whatever your own goals are. Put together some different essential oil blends. This is where you can have fun, right? Put the essential oils in there. When I'm making them, I add the crystals first, but before I put the crystals in, I Reiki infuse them. If you are familiar with energy healing and you want to use energy healing to infuse your crystals, fantastic. If you just want to do the physical cleansing, totally up to you. Once they are cleansed, once you have infused them, if you want to do that, then you're just going to drop them back down into the bottle. All right, now we can add our essential oils. Then you're going to go through that same process of creating the synergy, right? Giving it 24 hours for the essential oils to meld together chemically. And then you're going to pour in your preference of coconut oil. And now you're ready to go. You can do this over and over and over and over again. Have fun. These crystals will last you forever. You can play around with all of your essential oil blends, or if you have one that works, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Keep doing that same one over and over again. Hope this was helpful, guys. If you have any further questions about this particular process or about crystals and oils in general, make sure to leave me a comment below. If you want to learn more about crystals and oils and you haven't joined the Facebook group, do that now because the Crystals and Oils 101 course has been uploaded. So you can go through the entire I know nothing to having all of the basics to start using crystals and essential oils with confidence. So love you guys very much. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.